Enw fi 'di Llio Davies a dwi'n 24 oed a dwi'n wreiddiol o Trawsfynydd. Nes I symud o Trawsfynydd I Gaerdydd yn 2016 I astudio cwrs Art as Design Maker. Dyna lle nes I ddarganfod ceramics, really. A wedyn ar ôl graddio ges I gynnig swydd. Dwi bellach wedi bod yn Gaerdydd ers tua 6 mlynedd rwan a dwi'n wedi bod y bach rhy brysur iddo fi. O hyd dwi'n dod fyny i'r ardal nôl I weld yn heulu. Mae mor hardd yma, mae mor ddistaw. Mae yna gymaint o gyfleoedd yma, felly dwi'n considero symud nôl fyny i'r ardal. Hefo Fama Fancw, dwi'n gobeithio gallu symud y busnes fyny i'r gogledd a help gwneud cysylltiadau efo'r gymuned a hefyd gweld pa fath o gymorth sydd ar gael yn yr ardal hefyd.
So you're obviously thinking of like starting up your business here. You need to have a think about what you want to sell and to who you want to sell it. Find your market and go from there. Being in the town will help that, but it's also, isn't it, a matter of getting out and getting known in the big places where they'll pay lots of money. Getting known, getting accepted is, I think, and then of course you need to get your pricing right, but that's something you've thought about, I would have thought already. Really wish you all the luck with that. It's great because I think we're complementary businesses.
Yeah, definitely. Thank you very much.
Thank you.